Hey everyone, and welcome back to another clean with me. And today is super fun because I'm going to be decorating my new coffee nook, so definitely stick around till the end. But first I'm going to start in the living room. I'm going to pick everything up. Lily is actually spending some time with us for a couple days, so it gets super messy having a teen around and also just like hanging out and having fun, and I'm not really worried about cleaning. So I thought that it would be a really good time to just reset this and get it all nice and clean, so it can probably get messy again, let's just be honest. And Matt just made a guest appearance in the video. He actually makes a couple of these throughout the video. It's funny, he's either like moving laundry or just hanging out in the background. But now I'm just wiping off the couch, getting the cat hair off, and then I'm gonna spray it down with my fabric disinfectant, like you know that I always do. And I actually got this new blanket and pillow from Target, and I was so happy when I found it. I found it on sale, and I thought that it just looked so cute in the living room. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like it. There's gonna have to be a clean and undecorate for 4th of July with me coming up on the channel, because I am lagging on taking these decorations down. I hate undecorating because everything just looks so cute and fun when it's decorated. Let me know if you're the same way. And now we're moving into the kitchen. It honestly wasn't terrible. I just had a couple things to put away, and then I had to wash some bottles, but all in all, not too bad. Oh, God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. You'll see a little bit later when I wipe it off, but we got a water cooler for the kitchen to encourage Matt and I to actually drink more water. It's been a struggle my whole life to drink enough water, and I know it has been for Matt as well. So that is our kind of pact with each other, to try to drink a little bit more water. And if you saw my kitchen declutter, you saw that I put some water bottles in a kitchen cupboard, and I think that is a really good idea to kind of make drinking water more fun. I might actually get some flavor drops too, and let me know if you love a particular brand or flavor of drops. Please let me know, because anything to get myself to drink more water would be great. We're in California and it has been so hot. We've had heat wave after heat wave here, and it's super important, so please let me know in the comments. Just for motivation. Moving on to some dishes now. Our dishwasher is still broken. Can you believe it? I think that we've actually used the dishwasher a good 2 times before it broke since I moved in, and we've been washing these by hand ever since. Please let me know if you don't have a dishwasher. Let me know, because I have to know that I'm not alone on washing these dishes every single day. And actually the reason why it's still broken, if you have not been watching my channel for a while, you might not know this, but we have a 1950s house. It was actually built in the year 1950, and the dishwasher is actually hardwired to our sink. So in order to fix it, we'd have to call a plumber and an electrician out to fix it. And since we're not sure if we want to stay in the house for very much longer, we're not sure that's an investment that we want to make in the house. So we're still kind of trying to figure that out, but that is the reason why we still don't have it. on to cleaning the sink, which you know by now is my favorite thing to do in the kitchen. I just love when it sparkles and looks all clean, because we've actually started giving Kennedy baths in the sink. We used to do it in the bathtub, but it was just really hard for me because I have sciatica bending down to give her a bath every night, so we actually started putting her in here, and it's crazy. And maybe I can insert a little clip, but today she stood up in her crib for the first time. It was so crazy. She's getting so big. On the 24th of this month, it's July, she will be 1 year old, and I just don't understand where the time went. My little girl is just getting so big.
Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need? Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time.
Now moving on to spraying and wiping down everything in the kitchen, including our new water cooler. And just as a reminder, wait a few minutes before wiping off any disinfectant to make sure that it fully disinfects your countertops.
I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. I can't be the one that you need. Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine.
This girl has so many toys and she is running out of room for them. Mamas, please tell me your toy management situation. How often do you declutter? I feel like there's a declutter video coming up on my channel of all these toys, hopefully soon. Honestly, hopefully before she turns 1, because I know that she'll be getting so many more presents for her birthday, and we just don't have the space between this little playroom and her bedroom. We just do not have enough room for all of these toys.
Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need?
Just gonna make my bed really quick this morning. I try to make my bed every day. Sometimes it doesn't work out, but when it does, I always feel like the room is so much more clean and orderly. And I would encourage you, if you just do one thing today, make your bed for sure.
Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. I can't be the one that you need. Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this heart, then
I'm sometimes such a perfectionist when it comes to this bed. I just can never get it perfect, but honestly, it's good enough. And in a few seconds here, Kennedy's gonna make a cameo because Daddy dressed her this morning, and it was so funny that we just had to show her off.
you're a rebel.
Guys, that is my big, almost 1 year old. I still can't believe it. I know I said this a little bit earlier, but I am just so emotional and also so happy when I think about Kennedy turning 1. I don't know if, I'm probably not the only one that goes through that. There's gotta be other moms, probably every mom feels that way when their baby is about to turn 1. I just was not prepared for it to happen this quick. I heard a saying, it was a couple days ago, where it's like you don't realize how fast time moves until you have children, and that is so true. I felt like my childhood was so long, and now Kennedy's is just flying by. Even though she's almost 1, it's like, wow, she's already 1. It's just so crazy to me. Moving on to giving you some laundry motivation for today. I had a whole basket full If you saw a little bit earlier when I was doing dishes in the video, Matt actually walked by carrying all this laundry. It was really funny. I love when he makes his way into the video some way. I love to watch it back later. But now I'm gonna fold these towels, get all this laundry put away, and I don't actually show the whole thing because, full disclosure, my camera battery died right after I got all of this laundry folded, and I didn't want to wait till the night to put it all away, so you don't actually see me put away any of the laundry, but I have it all folded for you. My camera was nice enough to wait until I got all the laundry folded. Now here's the part of the video that I was most excited to show you. I am building a little coffee nook for in the corner of our kitchen. I thought it would look so cute, and I have a really funny story to tell you as I put this together. I got the tray itself from Home Goods, and there was a bunch of Rae Dunn at Home Goods, and I love Rae Dunn, do not get me wrong, but I was going back and forth in my mind if I should get the Joanna Gaines at Target or if I should get Rae Dunn. And I knew that if I was gonna get Rae Dunn, I would have to go Rae Dunn hunting, and I didn't know if I could get the whole thing completed very quickly, so I was going back and forth in my mind in the store. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna buy this tiered tray right now, and then I'll drive to Target. It's actually really close in the town. I was gonna drive to Target and I was going to put the Joanna Gaines stuff on it, and if I wasn't convinced, I was gonna go with Rae Dunn. But I got it, I took it into Target with my receipt so I could prove that it was mine, and I put the Joanna Gaines stuff on it, and I just loved how it looked, and you can see it here. I just thought that it looked so classy. And actually, my friend Josie, who has a channel here on YouTube, I'll actually link her channel, she has the same stuff, and when I saw hers, I was so inspired that I wanted to make a cute little coffee nook to go with the Joanna Gaines stuff. If I didn't do the Rae Dunn, I ended up doing the Joanna Gaines, as you can see. But here it is, almost completed. And I got these little beads from Michael's, and I thought they were so cute. I originally saw them in just white, but then I saw this kind of like dusty, it's kind of neutral, and there's some like powder white on it, and I thought that would look just a little bit better, so I ended up going with that. And I just love how this tiered tray actually ended up looking. I couldn't have done better if I tried. I'm so proud of it. To all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. I know it had a little bit of a different feel with building the coffee nook, but if you enjoyed it, please remember to like, and if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. We have so much fun, and we're building an amazing community. I have a ton more videos that I'm so excited for coming up on this channel, so make sure you have all of your notifications turned on. And until then, have a great day, guys.